Feeling sluggish? Need a quick energy boost? In just 10 minutes, we'll awaken your body and mind with an energizing yoga flow. Let's begin. First, we'll start with seated breathing yoga. Start by sitting comfortably. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly. Let's take 3 deep breaths to center ourselves. Feel the energy build with each inhale. Now, we'll do cat-cow stretch pose. Come to your hands and knees. As you inhale, drop your belly and lift your chest. Cow pose. As you exhale, round your spine. Cat pose. Flow with your breath, awakening the spine and stimulating circulation. Lift your hips into downward facing dog. Feel the stretch. Now shift forward into plank, engaging your core. Let's move between these two, building heat and strength. Keep breathing. Step 1 foot forward into Warrior 1. Reach up and ground through your legs. Now open to Warrior 2. Strong and steady. Feel your energy expanding. Hold for a few breaths before switching sides. Last but not the least, the standing forward fold and closing breath yoga. For this yoga, gently fold forward, releasing any tension. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Notice how you feel, energized, refreshed, and ready for the day. Thank you for flowing with Yoga-rise. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more yoga sessions. See you next time.